Namaste from me to you. Hello everyone, I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on the next four words, that is most, may, like, long. So let's start with the first word, most. The most of, at the most. I am at home most of the day on Sundays. This is the most interesting book that I have read. I could not sleep. I was awake most of last night. Which flower do you like the most? I love moगras. Cricket is the most popular sport in India. Shravya is the most intelligent girl in class 8. Shravya is the most intelligent girl in class 8. Kaushik is one of the most talented people I know. Shruti, you're the most beautiful bride I have ever seen. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. The second word is may. May I? You may. Maybe. Learning to speak English may be easier than you think. It's not that difficult. You can learn English. Nitin was born in the month of May. May I use your pen? Yes, you may. May I go to play, Mama? Yes, you may go. It may rain today. It may rain any minute. May I eat this apple? Yes, you may. Don't play with electric appliances. It may be dangerous. Where shall I keep the screwdriver? Keep it here. We may need it later. How may I help you, sir? The third word is like. Like it, like this, like that, likewise. Like attracts like. People with positive attitude attract people with positive attitude. It's like attracts like. I like sweets. I like it too. What a nice print. I like this bed sheet. I like to run. I like to walk. What does he look like, that boy? He is tall and slim. My boss works overtime a lot and he expects everyone else to do likewise. If you ever need any help, give me a call, and likewise, if I need some help, I will let you know. Tia likes her mother. What is Raj like? He is nice and friendly. Who is he like? He is quite like his mother. They both have brown eyes. So he looks more like his mother. The next word is long. Long time, long ago, a long moment. It's been a long time since we met. Long time no see. Nia has long hair. Raj has long legs. What took you so long? The car gave way and then it's a long story. I will tell you. Does Mr. Mishra stay here? He no longer stays here. He no longer stays here. The meeting won't be that long. Just 10 minutes. Are you not ready yet? What's taking you so long? Don't worry. I won't take very long. Only 5 minutes. So that's all for today. Keep on practicing, listening, and repeating English in English only. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.